Hi YouTube, so I haven't shot any video since this morning. We've gone all the way over Cinnamon Pass, through Lake City, had lunch, but the fall color has not been exceptional, to say the least. But we're on Engineer Pass now, about 7 miles up it from Lake City, and you get that nice big black rock up there, and at least dark rock, and a lot of yellow around it. Pretty nice. Let me show you in front of us. This is where we're heading. It's gotten quite windy again, actually. But you see that? How nice is that? So we want to go through this. Here, show you some up there. A little bit over here. So we'll see what we can find on Engineer Pass. More to share with you. And I mean, there's a little bit nice on Cinnamon Pass, but you know, just nothing that I thought was too great, so you know, we'll see what we find here. Hi YouTube, here's the next scene we've run across. You see this beautiful color right through here? And up there on the hills and everything. Let me show you. Come across here. And there. You see that little cabin and those trees in there? Very nice shot right there. Down those mountains, really nice. And back here behind us, that's where we came from. You can see, not too shabby, right? So this is what we're looking at and what we got. So we're going to keep on going, see what we can run across. Let's keep doing this thing. Hi YouTube, so we've come up the road a ways. I just want to show you something that we have seen so much deadfall from the avalanches this year. You hear stories about the avalanches. Well, they're not stories. They are 100% true, because we have seen just everywhere, this whole area. I don't care from where you start and where you finish around here. There's deadfall everywhere. Look at this on this side of the road. Look at that split stump right there. Look at these. Look at the split right there. And yet that tree is standing right beside them. Look at all that deadfall on the ground down there. Back to this side of the road. Look up there. So them little trees there, bent, broken. But then down here, look right there in that area. These are all broke off, and it's like something came down that was about, oh, I don't know, what do you think? I would say anywhere from maybe 5 to 6 feet, maybe upwards of 8, 10, and just sheared a lot of these trees off, took a lot of them down. Obviously you can see all this deadfall, so even in the ditches here. But this up here, where it looks like something just came through and just sheared these off. Like I said, 5 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, you know. I don't know, some of them might even be 10. But this to me is crazy. And now let's go back across the road. Look right here, it's closest to me, right here. Look at all this. And you can bet your bottom dollar that what that big hump is, that there's ice there that came down and took all this stuff out. And just look on down through there. And look upside this hill here, over here by those trees. Right about there in the middle of your screen now should be. And on down further as you go. But here, now that we're close to this, I just want to show you these up close and personal. Isn't that crazy? I think it is. Alright, I hope you like this part. That's the way we came from. You can see there's some fall color there, but it's not so great. But this deadfall is what is just amazing me so much. Alright, I'll see you on the next clip. Alright, YouTube, I want to show you something. Here, right here, it's what a real American does. You come up here, got my FJ, got the flag there, blowing in the wind. You see it standing up almost. Got snow in the background. And here's what I want to show you. Down here, that is where the engineer pass sign is. So all these people are down here waiting on their turns to get their picture of that sign. Nobody's waiting on the flag. This is America. You're waiting on the flag, not the stupid sign. I'll take a look at out there, and we're going to head out there and go to O Point, and I'll bring that to you next. So let's head on, and I'll show you what we got.